She's going to ice skate, babe. Let's go ice skating. First time here in Japan. Let's try. It's their skating place. This is the time. Oh, these are the prices. Please buy ticket from the machine. So this is their machine. BO for adults it's 300 pesos or $4, and then for kids 160. Wow, kids are free today. Are you excited? Excited. So excited. Ice skating tayo, be. Be, oh. Para ako nagsisi bakit ako sumali. Try natin. We're scared. Hindi kami gumikilos dito. May konti lang. Parang nagganyan lang kami. Nakahawa kami ni Hannah sa gilid. Pero sila ni Hadasa na andun na. Me and Hannah are still here. We'll just practice a little bit, beha. Ayoko. Parang nagsisi ako. Bakit ba ako pumunta dito? Masarap ang ano eh. Mag-exercise na lang. Alright. Sige. Hi. We practice a little bit. And Hannah is why? Smile. It's fine. It's okay. It's our remembrance. Ice skating. Hindi na natin ulitin. Bakit? Malungkot siya, be. Dali lang. Picture muna tayo, ha? Cold pala siya. Sabi niya cold siya. Ayan. Magpapalit na tayo. Mabilis lang. 30 minutes lang yung practice natin. Tapos hindi ko ganun talaga. Minsan may mga bloopers. Ayan. Hi, she's cold, she said. Tapos gusto niya nang kumain. Ayun, pakainin muna natin si Hannah. Hi, si Hannah. This for the first time, be. Ano kaya to? This is, let's try this for the first time. They have cheese and spicy. So, I always get the spicy one. Sometimes, cheese.
Daddy, look
Let's
at
have
me.
coffee. Yung be, oh. Nilagay ko siya, yung the chili pepper, and then you put it here, and then you shake your paper. So, kulang na lang ng rice. So, first time natin. Let's try it.
Uh-huh.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Grabe, super sarap. Ang anghang niya. Super spicy. Sarap to sa rice.
This is cheese. No mustard. Cheers.
You like it? Hi, Anna. Uy, hala. Let's study again, Hannah. We will go to the Asian store. Let's look there. We can... Wow, good job, Hannah. We'll show you this bed. These are the toy area. And then upstairs they have like stores, and there are some thrift stores upstairs. We'll go here. There's a pizza shop, and then there's Asian stuff. Let's look. Let's look fast. Oh, yung cute oh. Hawaii. Thanks. Come on, honey. Cutie. Ang Asian store to be. So, hanap tayo dito. Baka may Korean paste dito. Tignan nyo ang aking nakita. Look at what I saw. And I'm looking for the Korean paste be. So, kuha tayo ng buhay bawang. Let's look also what are the other ones that they have here. Asian store pala talaga to. Matuwa. Akala ko kasi wala as in. So, hanap tayo muna. Ito na nga ba, be? Nandito siya. O, diba? Yung Korean some paste. Hi, finally saw it, be. Akala ko wala. Picturean ko to kasi send ko kay Kim, yung friend kong Japanese, kasi parang kailangan niya yan. Meron pala dito, buti na lang. Tapos may mga coconut milk rin. So hanap pa tayo ha. Picturean natin to para alam niya kung saan niya kukunin. Nakita ko be, pag gusto mo ng Korean soup, red paste, yan na lang. Kasi wala sila nung red be. Usually yung, itong green kasi for ano to, diba, barbecue. Yung red, yun yung ginagamit. Ay, soybean paste pala, no? Hindi to soybean paste, be. Yun yung sa ano, soup. So, ito gawa na yung, soup broth niya. Lalagay mo na lang yung paste. So, hanap muna tayo. Ay, meron pala silang ganyan. Life. Bakit ganun? Wala sila nung paste. Hanap muna tayo, be, ha? Hi, Anna! I like your smile. We caught you. Smile. I will smile. 1, 2, 3, go. Ko for kids, so may marshmallow sila ditong maliliit na colorful, no? Alam mo sa atin, cute kasi may flowers. Limutan ko na naman mag-English, be. Oh my gosh, they have Kopiko here. Oh, I wanna cry. They have Kopiko. Meron silang Kopiko, be. Tayo. Hanap pa tayo, ha? Balitaan ko na lang kayo kung ano nakita ko dito. Oh my gosh, Asian store pala talaga to. Be, nasa labas lang siya ng gate, right side. Ang saya. Okay. Pili muna tayo.
Oh, here we go.
Try to get it, Hannah. Try this, Ben. Ayun, may nakuha si Hadasa. Pikachu. Fun. Ayun, cute. Thank you. Can you please go back again to Pikachu? Maybe we can get it. Good job! Yay! Get it! That one, Hannah. The one, this one. That one, this one. Oh, I hope we can get it. Do not let go. Oh my gosh, I want the bag. Oh my gosh, I hope you can get this one, please. Do not let go, Hannah. Ayan, be. It's like this. This is the upstairs ng Asian store. Ang saya, no? Mas okay dito kasi dun sa dati natin. Ayan. Like this. Tapos may thrift store dun sa dulo. Tara, tara. You want to get it again? Let's try. Do you want me to try? Cute nito, oh. Oh, I got it, look! Wow! Happy! She have blessing today.
Catch in 3, 2, 1.
Wow! Look at that! So funny. But it's not super cute. It's scary. I'm just joking. Oh, wow! Oh, winking. One more. Copy. 1, 2, 3, go. Wink.